So you will need to go to this website called Keysfan.com. I'll put the link in the description below, making it easy for you to click. So this website sells a lot of software license keys. They have antivirus, editing tools, they have download tools, and many more. They are also compatible with both Windows and Mac users. So I'm going to share with you today some informations about how to buy legit Microsoft license keys, because if you're having trouble with your Microsoft Office, you'll need to buy a license key. So without a license key, you cannot use all the features of the Microsoft Office or even Windows 10. You cannot activate it. So it's better to buy a legitimate license key. Now, if you buy this license key, I'll give you a 50% to 60% discount. Just use my code GPI50 or GPI62. So if you use that code, it's a huge discount for you guys. So we're now in the sections where you can see exclusive Microsoft Office offers. We have Office 2021 Professional Plus keys, which are only for one PC. They also have a Professional Plus 2 key packs, 2 keys in one pack. So if you buy that, you will have some extra key for your friends. They have also 5 keys in one pack. So they have 2021 Professional Plus keys, 5 PCs, or 5 individual keys. You can actually buy it 3 keys, 5 keys, whatever you want. They also have Office 2021 Home and Business keys for Mac users, which is great if you're a Mac user. They also have the older versions of Office, which is the Office 2019 Professional Plus. They sell it for like $20. That's for one PC. If you buy 2 keys in one pack, you can. You can also buy 3 keys in one pack and 5 keys in one pack. They cater both Mac and Windows users. So they even have older versions of Office like 2016 Professionals, and they're selling for around $17, which is a super cheap. And if you don't want Microsoft Office, they also Windows 11 Professional. If you want to register or activate your Windows 11 Professional, they have one PC. Their one key for one PC is $14. They have option for 2 keys if you want to buy 2 keys or 3 keys or 5 keys, whatever you want. They offer home versions and Windows 10 professional versions, and also Windows 10 home versions as well. If you want to spend less, they have other options. You can buy bundle like Windows 11 with Office 2021. They can provide you with Windows 11 and Professional Plus key bundles for $46. So if you don't want 2021, you can bundle it with 2019 Office 2019, which is $38, which is even cheaper than the other one. They have another bundle versions as well, including Windows 10 Pro and Office 21 Pro Plus bundle. They also have VCO 2021 and a Project 2021 Professional Plus. So, and if you're looking to do some business, they offer wholesale keys. You can buy 50 keys, 50 Office 2021 Pro keys for $1,000. That's 50 keys. You can sell it for whatever you want. They have another versions of Office and also other versions of Windows 11 and Windows 10. You can buy them in bundles like 50 keys. So this is for like business side. If you want to get into the business and make some side money, I think this is a good opportunity for you guys to buy in wholesale. Now I'm going to show you how to buy it. Just click buy and you'll go to the next tab. You will see a price of around like $91. But don't worry, I have a discount code for you guys to get that very low price. So you're going to add it to the cart and then view the cart. And then you'll see this subtotal price. And then you'll see this apply discount code. You'll put my discount code GPI62. Then you have to click apply discount. Then you'll get a 60% discount, which is a discount of around $56. That's a huge savings. You'll only pay only $34 and you can proceed to check out and buy it. And we're done. So if you're interested to buy this one, I put the link in the description below. Check it out. And if you think that this video was helpful, share it to your friends, share it online, and I'll see you again to the next one. Peace out, everybody.